Add these unique items to your collection. Watch this video to know how to make them. In our video, we'll show how to make an attractive beaded tassel keychain. We'll need beads, jewelry supplies, a button, a tassel, a metal ring, white acrylic paint, flat pliers, cutting pliers, and round nose pliers. Thread a decorative pin through the beads. Make a loop using the round nose pliers. Prepare several different elements in the same way. Let's assemble the keychain. Open a loop and put on a beaded detail. Close the loop. Put the elements together one by one, following the same steps. Open a small ring and pass it through a loop in the middle of the keychain. Put on the last beaded detail and close the ring. Hang a metal key-shaped charm onto this element. Put a tassel onto a big bead. Pass the keychain ring through the big bead loop. Attach a button to the tassel using a hot glue gun. If you don't like how the charms are distributed, you can change it easily. And the finishing touch. Distress the keychain using paint and a sponge. This charming keychain will add glamour to your purse or keep your keys safe. Let's make another accessory as a Carrick bend mat knot. Attach the end of a royal blue silk cord by attaching it to the cardboard with tape. Tuck the other end to form a loop. Press over. Pass the cord back, shaping another loop. Keep the knot in place. Pass the working end from above under the central part, passing through the first loop. Smooth the circles to make them equal in size. Tuck the cord above the central loop and then above the outer one. Form the fourth curl. Pass the cord through under the central loop. Now, tuck it under the outer curl. Try to make the knot neat. Now, double the loops. Repeat all the curls. Tuck the cord to the underside and remove the tape. Correct the shape by smoothing and pulling up on the cord. Pull up the knot from both sides. Hot glue the cord ends. Cut off the excess. Fray check the edges. Cover the carrick bend mat with lacquer. Use a soft brush. After drying, repeat for the other side. When the knot is dry, put crimp head clasps on the cord ends. Close the clasp with round nose pliers. Open a jump ring to thread a clasp. Close the ring. Now open a keychain ring and put on the accessory. Hot glue the cord again to secure well. The gorgeous royal blue carrick bend mat keychain will become a wonderful gift for your boyfriend. Today, we'll make a funny leather cat-shaped keychain for cat lovers. We'll need leather of burgundy and beige shades, paper, polyester filler, brown leather cord, black beads, a metal ring, and scissors. Draw a sitting cat silhouette on a piece of paper. Cut it out. Place the pattern on the wrong side of the dark leather and trace. Cut it out. Make another mirror image pattern. Join them and align the edges. Seam across the edge. Make a cord loop. Sew it down next to the ear. Leave about 1/3 of the silhouette unstitched. Stuff the figure with the polyester. Then complete the seam. Cut out a thin strip of about 3/8 inches wide from the light leather. Add another short, wider strip. Cut out 3 of the same little triangles from the wide strip. Hot glue 2 of the details to the ears. Attach the third one to the tail. Wind the thin strip around the neck and tie a knot. Attach the bead eyes. Add the finishing touch by putting the ring onto the loop. Cool! This wonderful cat leather keychain will keep your keys safe. Hang it on your handbag and it will get a new stylish look. Let's make another keychain. Cut 2 small pieces out of a rubber cord. Hot glue the end and attach the other one, pressing over well. Fix a crimp connector over the junction. Press with the pliers to secure. Pierce the cord end with a thick needle. Use the pliers. Put an eye pin into the hole. Make another prick on the other end. Thread a bead on the pin. Pass it through the other hole. Cut off the excess and make a loop using the tools. Cut out 2 more cord pieces, a bit longer than the previous ones. Attach the ends and fasten with the connector like the first detail. Put the 2 details together to define the size of the second cord element. The first detail should be put inside it, leaving some extra space around. Cut off the excess to shape harmonic curls. The keychain should not be too big. Make the second detail in the same way. Open a loop, put on a smaller element, and close to join the details. Thread a bead on a pin and fasten with a loop. Open it to put the bead on the keychain. Pass a jump ring through both connectors. Open a keychain ring and put on the decoration. We've made another cool accessory to keep your keys safe or make a gift for a friend. Today, we'll mold a funny owl keychain in polymer clay. To start with, we need polymer clay of different colors: blue, peach, white, black, and red. We need a keychain ring as well. Let's mold on a cutting board. Take blue clay, knead, and roll into a ball shape to make the owl body. Press and roll to get a bulb top cylinder. Make the bottom flat. Roll 2 more small clay balls. Mold them into the wings. They should look like triangles. Done! Make small ears by molding 2 balls into drops. Attach the details to the body. Don't press too hard to avoid a deformation of the clay body. First, attach the wings. Secure the upper part, leaving the low end loose. Attach the second wing to the other side of the body. Now attach the ears. They are on the top between the wings. The funny bird is getting a recognizable outline. Take 3 balls in peach clay, 1 bigger and 2 smaller. Roll out. Start with the biggest one. You've got a circle shape. Make 2 more circles for the eyes. Take a bit of white clay to shape 2 balls. Press over with your finger. The details are small. You don't need to roll them out. It will be the whites of the eyes. Shape 2 teeny balls to make the pupils. Put them into the center of the whites and place everything onto the peach detail. Make a red cone-shaped beak. Prick the big peach detail to make an embossed belly. Use a toothpick. Let's assemble the details. Make the eyebrows by pricking the peach part of the eyes with a toothpick. Pin a keychain ring on the top. Bake the owl at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Our polymer clay keychain is ready. This owl will keep your keys safe for you to find them anytime, anywhere. Hit the like button and feel free to comment. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy molding with us easily.